In this video, I will take a look at the Doogee Y7 Plus, a phone that costs about $200 but it has good specifications, high screen-to-body ratio, pretty good cameras, and much more. Let's take a look. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a soft TPU case. As far as design goes, I have an Aurora blue color option, but the phone also comes in black and phantom purple colors. The Y7 Plus looks really beautiful and shiny, however I feel it uses plastic back instead of glass. Also, Doogee says the phone has a metal frame, but it feels like plastic to me, unless they used a plasticky feeling primer on top of metal like LG used to do with their phones. Either way, the build quality is top notch and I have no complaints. The display is really good. Well, we may not have the punchy colors of AMOLED screens, but this panel is plenty sharp, vivid, and it's easily viewable outdoors thanks to good brightness output. Just below the display, we have a fingerprint scanner that is implemented in the home button. I found the scanner to be accurate, but the display could light up a little bit faster. We also have a face unlock feature which is fairly accurate, but it could unlock the phone faster. On the back, we have quite a powerful dual camera system. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel shooter. Unfortunately, the phone does not have LED notification light. Other notable features include a hybrid dual SIM card slot, pretty good buttons, a headphone jack, USB-C port, and a loudspeaker that, however, does not really impress by its sound quality, and the volume output is really low. Here is a quick audio sample. The Y7 Plus ships with really good specifications for the price. Gaming performance is also very good for a budget phone. I was able to play all the 3D games without any issues. Even the PUBG runs fine on medium graphics, which is kind of rare in the budget phone segment. Great overall gaming performance. Android 8.0 is powering the phone, which is not the latest version of Google's OS. We have a light Doogee skin on top of it that adds a few different icons in the settings menu. There are also a few added features. For example, you can customize the navigation bar, use fingerprint gestures and motion controls, and so on. I'm quite impressed with the overall performance, as the phone feels fast pretty much all the time, and I didn't see the phone stutter or lag. Daylight image quality is actually pretty good. Images have a good amount of detail and overall they look nice. However, portrait shots do not look great, as bokeh effect is kind of fake. Low-light images have quite a bit of noise, but still, the quality of pictures is decent considering the price of this device. Selfies look pretty good, but there is visible noise in most of the shots. Low-light selfie quality does not really impress. 1080p video quality is okay, but the footage is a bit shaky. 720p selfie video and sound recording quality are just mediocre. As always, check out my Facebook page for more camera samples, and you'll find all the links down below the video. As far as connectivity goes, the Doogee Y7 Plus performs well. Call quality and signal reception are good, and other connectivity options work fine. We also have a gyroscope and some other sensors, however there is no NFC. The phone ships with a massive battery that lets you use the device for quite some time. My record screen on time is about 13 hours. Charging time is just over 2 hours with a supply charger. Doogee Y7 Plus turns out to be a pretty nice budget phone, but as most of the devices in this price range, it has a few flaws to consider. First, it does not have LED notification light, the loudspeaker is just mediocre, there is no NFC, and the phone runs on Android 8.0, which is not the latest version of Google's OS. Now the good stuff. The phone looks really nice despite the fact it feels a bit plasticky. You also get nice and sharp display, the device is pretty fast, and even gaming performance is good. In addition, cameras can take pretty nice pictures, which is not always the case with other budget phones. Finally, the battery life is quite good thanks to huge capacity cell. At the end of the day, the Doogee Y7 Plus does have a few flaws to consider, but overall, it's a pretty good phone for the price of just about $200. What do you think about the Doogee Y7 Plus? Would you buy this phone or would you choose another device? As always, use the comment section down below, like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.